Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I will say that from a presentation point of view, this chart's a little bit trickier to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or who knows, maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the bigger picture of things, sure, I get it. From the highs, there's been a bigger pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And that's also going to be the point of view that I'm, talking about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader or flipper type, mentality going into the trade. And to better illustrate this, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but like I said, just to illustrate my point here, let's say that the price actually comes down here to the 6 cent mark, behaves like this, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. You'd have those lows down there. Now, if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you still very, very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress forward, and that 6 cent mark represents a great progress point. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of flipper or day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from a bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in 1 day, looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here. You can see the price still has plenty of opportunities to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.